Ever wondered why Korean food tastes so good? The secret is hiding right in here. Welcome to my 냉장고, my fridge. Today, I'm teaching you the most known words for every Korean kitchen. On the 윗칸, the upper section, we have 계란, eggs. These are a must-have for 계란 프라이, fried eggs, on top of your rice. Next to it is 식빵. 식 means meal and 빵 is bread. So it's bread you eat as a meal. Let's move to the 아래칸, the lower section. We have 우유. Can you say it? 우유. In Korea, we have many flavors like banana or strawberry, but this is the plain one. These are 요구르트, Korean yogurt drinks. They are sweet, a little tangy, and really refreshing. How are we doing so far? If you're enjoying this tour, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me make more of these POV lessons for you. These are Gochujang and Ssamjang. This green one is Ssamjang, and this red tube is Gochujang. Let me introduce Gochujang first. This is the staple. It's spicy, sweet, and deep. We keep it in the fridge to keep it fresh. And let's move on to Ssamjang. We use this for ssam or wraps. It's a mix of soybean paste and chili paste. Look at this 통. This container is full of 다진 마늘, minced garlic. Koreans use garlic in almost everything, so we buy it in bulk. This is 멸치 액젓. It's fish sauce. It smells very strong, but it makes soup taste amazing. And this is 고춧가루, Korean chili flakes. This is a must-have ingredient in Korean cooking. We use this for making kimchi, kimchi stew, or any spicy dish. And don't forget the 간장, soy sauce. It's the base for almost every savory dish we make. In the 서랍, we have the 배추. This is what we use to make kimchi. It's huge, right? Repeat after me. 당근, carrot. 오이, cucumber. These are our fresh 야채, or vegetables. And these are 반찬. We store them in 반찬통. Usually we have kimchi, stir-fried anchovies, and seasoned spinach in here. And here is a secret, 밥. We keep cooked rice in the fridge or freezer in portions, and just microwave it when we are hungry. It's super convenient, and it stays much fresher than a rice cooker. Now, look at the door. We have Soju. It's famous, right? We drink it with meals, but I also use a splash when cooking to take away any meat smells. And this one is 누룽지 음료수, scorched rice drink. It's made from scorched rice and has a nutty, comforting flavor. I usually drink this after a meal. Let's move to the freezer. I keep 냉동 대파, frozen green onions, and 냉동 청양고추, frozen spicy chili peppers. It saves so much time when cooking. And here we have 만두, Korean dumplings. I always keep this in my freezer because they are so easy to cook. I use this a lot when I make dumpling soup or just pan fry them. And this is 냉동 돼지국밥, frozen pork soup. It tastes super rich and savory. And it's so convenient because you just heat it up. We covered so many words today, from 냉장고 to 다진 마늘. Don't worry if you didn't memorize them all yet. I've created a free PDF with every single word we learned today, plus the English translations and a pronunciation guide. You can download it for free at the link in the description. It's a great way to review while you're grocery shopping. Thanks for touring my fridge with me. Let me know in the comments what's in yours. 안녕!